Hi, hi, hi. It was a Friday, so we were back testing the freedom model, and also it was a bank holiday, so we're just live back testing, right? So got to the yearly cycle, which is the weekly cycle. Look for any confluences, anything that might give us a clue of where price action is going. Lo and behold, we got an SMT fill, not an SMT field, but an SMT, SSMT, right, to the upside. And a TCI is the validation on both assets to the upside. So that was looking good. Went to the daily chart, got to the daily chart, and what did we get? We got a couple of days ago, we got this SMT fill on both assets. Oh, wait, sorry. I was looking at the euro on both sides. Yeah, but we did get an SMT on both sides. So let me just go back to the weekly and see if there was indeed. Yeah, so there was. You see that SSMT to the upside on the weekly. So yeah, daily wise, we are also looking as if it was bullish, right? But if you look closely at the candle closures, they were body closing below the previous one. So I should have gotten the clue that price action was going lower just for a retrace to then keep going higher, right? But then, yeah, um, that's something I learned from this back testing. So I had a bullish bias, right, for the day. So went to the 4 hour expecting to see anything that gave me a clue to the upside. So got a couple of value gaps to the upside, right? I don't think this SMT fill was there yet. And then we got to the 1 hour chart, right, also, and we got this weekly cycle SMT, right, on the euro USD to the upside. So that was looking good. We're kind of looking good in terms of bullish intent. Got to the 15-minute daily cycle, no SMT inside, no SSMT inside, so went down to the 5 minute, no SSMT inside as well. So we went to the 1 minute. And once we got to the 1 minute, we got an SSMT that was later on invalidated though. But nevertheless, I did sort of try and execute and take a trade off of it, right? So as you can see, we had microcycle TCISD that was a bit too far for the stop, right? So I was hoping to find some sort of PSP or something that will give me an earlier entry, and we did get it, but price just went up a little bit and then went lower and confirmed the IPSP to then go lower. So that's another thing I learned is to be able to expect some sort of reversal that might invalidate a PSP, I mean an IPSP or an